Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Sense me the highlights still that happened on Friday, the 27th. Ubaloyi, kahle ngokwakhe, he doesn't want defense to go to local to inspect the place. He'll be coming up with stories. He likes this thing, Advocate George Baloyi, of stopping people or trying to insinuate things or trying to prevent people to do things. Mangithi people ngisho i-defense. He'll be coming up with all sorts of stories. And the minister is not having it. He's just like wena. Why? You know? Athi they cannot go there. It's a logistical nightmare. Ngaleso sikhathi bathi une-drone. Uyabona the drone. Lesi ifuna thina as YouTuber, but we can't afford it. Ngoba lapho usuke usihola ngazi malini ukuthi you can actually buy a drone that gives you the whole place. Ihamba lapha phezulu, iyabhabha phezulu like some aeroplane. So unayo ubaloyi. Very fancy ubaloyi. Iyakhumbula i-video engenze Thursday ngikhulumile ngama-AVL reports. Nje in the middle of nowhere when I was doing that video, it just came to my mind. I was just like, aphi ama-AVL reports. So he has two things ke umnisi. Umnisi is like ngicela ukuthi kuyiwe elokho kuyo inspector. Ngoba phela ubrigadier yakhe Linda insist ukuthi akaze ashaye umuntu yena lapho. And bathi wayemshaye, accused number 1 lapho. Uthi I've never done that. Qala baqhamuka nezitori yena no Baloyi zokuthi no, actually that place is such an open place, it's not secluded. We wouldn't have beaten him up in what umnisi lalela. You can't make the thing up ukuthi namshaye. So ngifuna ukubona leyo ndawo ukuthi njani. Urat is the one that came up with the stories. Knowing South Africa. Kurat smart guys. Knowing South Africa mhlambe leyo ndawo le they have vandalized it. Those were Rat's words. Umnisi is not having it. It's just like ngikhuluma ngikhathala ngithi I want to go there and inspect that place. And secondly, for my AVL reports, he's on to them. Abona manje usayodiga. Uyofuna izitori abombhantsane and stuff that happened there. Esithichwa ulongwe. Uzokwenza lento enzo ulethi Mngomezulu. Uzoya la e-rent clinic. Bazoke bamchazele kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi abantu babese-rent clinic nabantu abasithicha ulongwe thwala ebusuku bayanyamalala bebengahambanga emhlabeni. Guys, while we are at it, ne? Ngibula kwenye video engenze futhi Saturday bengikhuluma nge-prophet ethizeni that's going around this prophet. Ithi i-prophet, in fact, what's going to happen with this case is that before I say indaba ye-prophet, I'm sure you've heard me. My words has been, especially this year, kakhulu na end of last year, this case will take a turn. I've said it so many times. It will take a turn, even if it's 30 years. 30 years, I'm sure you put last week in one of my videos. Even if it's 30 years. Bona e-US, kunokwenzeka. Guys, they listen cases like South Africa's kanjalo. Kuthiwa 30 years umuntu walahleka nini sebetholakala abantu abawu-3 abamenze into or abawu-2. I've always said ukuthi this case won't end well. Would won't end well. Ngebe kusahlekwa abo njengoba okunendaba ehleli nje in the stand every day lying to South Africans, and on top of that he is always gaslighting South Africans. Awudeleli phela mawususho njalo usuke usudlulele qoba into ala ngeyisa phela lapha usuke ususeyisa nje uyasidele. You don't even know when to stop. You continue to say, yes, mina I'm very, very surprised with why are South Africans believing ukuthi there were no intruders there. Hey, like ufike nini lapho? Why would you even speak like that to us? Ucabanga thina sithamba sibona ukuthi unamanga. Just you don't have powers to drag you from that court. Sikhiphele phandle nalamanga akho. So ngisanitshela ke guys before ngiqhubeke nomnisi. Ithi prophet. Ngishilo ngathi prophet ku some gift media. I think that's what it's called. And it's not the first time eza gift media. Bengabazi mina, I just saw this thing in passing. In fact, I saw it. So I was like, hey, it's again ngali lokhuzana. Even the title was attracting ngathi uthi ngilalele la uthi kuthiwa ithi prophet before the end of the year. Umuntu obekhipha imali kule case le uzoshona. Mase shonile. Stuff will start to come out, people will start talking. Yakhumula mina ngaze ngathi abantu when they want to start talking them abalwe. Njoba vele uMakhumalo wake walwa namadodakazi akhe. Namanje kuvela kuzwaniwa. And then there was a stage where Uzande wasn't speaking to Kelly. I was just like, amagazi abantu. Like sometimes as in amanye ama-families abadlali and akwazi ukudlala ngegazi lomuntu kanje. Ashonela kini. You can't even tell us. But like I said, ukuthi uKelly. Ngiyabona nguma wakhe mina Zandile. uKelly is the one that must tell us what happened to Senzo, to be honest with you. That is why mina normally ngibhenga ukuthi wena wambulala. Either way, although there were stories for ukuthi wayidlala kuyona leso sibhamu esasinesondo wabdubula uSenzo kube too long. It doesn't matter, they know bona what happened there. Asifunda abantu baloyi aba-advocates baloyi la abaletha singazi ukuthi baqhamuka half of SAPS. You don't want those people. Hayibo sewenzani ngalabo bantu? Umnyisi umtshele kahle athi hey kahle wena usabani ukuletha ulongo la, ngifuna ulongwe mina. And uzomletha umnisi ulongo uma ibuya nje uzomletha. I think ubhizi uzoba busy nolongo just as much as ethe hey I'm tired my lord, phela khumbula mina ngafunda 40 to 60,000 pages, I need a break. Ubhizi you can see umnisi ukuthi is not gonna have a break, guys. Athi ubaloyi nje akasiboni isidingo or the purpose basically of inspecting local live. I'm just like, ungeni nowhere when alapha. This is actually demanding those. Nizowakhipha kanti. And sizoyilokho. Yonke into esifuna izokwenzeka. Ngoba uBrothers is trying to prevent them to go there. George Baloyi. Hayi Baloyi, if you could, bebengeke bayi i-defense elokho. He's even telling them about security. Wena ungena ngaliphi window ku-security ye-defense. They just want to go there. Khona bezoqeda istate amanga when you're busy trying to prevent omnisi. You're thinking maybe they're gonna back down and be like, no, ayasabisa uBaloyi ushilo. No, they are going. To Baloyi across the police station, there is a hostel. It's fine, guys. So Gathanda noma kathandi uBaloyi inspection in local is going to happen. It's not his decision to make what must happen when the defense is asking for something to happen. Yeah, so it is going to happen. The fact that uBrigadier Kinende is the same person who was mooring ingane zabantu lapho, who accused number 1 in particular. So the next thing now, we can't go there. Ngobani Rata uphakathi inside uthi how many soldiers do you need? Umnisi went on to say to Baloyi, you can now decide ukuthi we can't go to local for this inspection. It's not up to him. And South Africa is a Mickey Mouse country. We have all the resources to go to local. Like there's nothing that's going to stop us to go there. Yo, Baloyi, guys. This was just like, no. Please stop. We are going there. No mungathini. Angazi problem kaBaloyi, guys, honestly. Lost it. Uthe esesho ukuthi angazi ukuthi uyacabanga ukuthi government yalana is Mickey Mouse situations when we can get the resources to go to local. Was it sakhuluma uBaloyi what I'm still talking? Yo. Uthe umnisi it's a shame ukuthi istate icabangela igovernment yamanje eSouth Africa when they have so many resources. Uyayicabangela yini uBaloyi ukuthi ngeke bazibakwazi athi it's a shame. And that whole thing of evacuation of the whole hostel, like abantu basa hostel bangabi khona, you can't be serious. And apparently uBrigadier Kinende had actually said ukuthi ihostel yebo lingakhona lapho where they need to go to this police station, but it's a bit, It's not close. Hey, Baloyi, guys, sneaky Baloyi will never change. Sinje, my lord, I don't want to insult the government that I love so much. Ngendaba kaBaloyi. You understand? He's busy making excuses which we can't go there. And we are going. Kumnyama or kumhlopi. We will be there at Loko to do the inspection. It's not up to Baloyi to decide. But it's a shame that the state is thinking there won't be any resources for us to go there. So ke sime lapho kancane futhi guys, I want to continue again ngamanye nje ama-segments that have been important in these cases. Sezindaba guys. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. Ngithanda over.